Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will make a teardown of this JBL speaker. This is the JBL Partybox on the go. So we will try to make a full teardown to see the drivers, to see the speakers, to see the main board, and to see basically everything. So feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit the like button. Let's start.
Well, first of all, on the top of the speakers here we have 3 hidden screws. So 1, 2 and 1 here. This speaker has 100 watts of power that comes from one woofer, a 5.25 inch woofer, and from 2 tweeters. The sound is very good. It is IPX4, so it's waterproof, but not for submerge it underwater. It is for only light rain. And now we're gonna see the bottom of the speakers, where we will find this protective legs, and underneath them we will find 4 different screws. The JBL Partybox on the go, in my opinion, it is a very cool The JBL Partybox on the go, in my opinion, it's a very cool speaker because you can connect to it so the sides are with clips. You can connect 2 microphones. So this is the left panel. This is where you can put the microphone. And now the other panel. As I told you, it's very easy, they are just clipped. And now we are gonna try to remove the bottom part to see the inside of the speaker. As you can see, after the remove of the 4 screws, it should be only in clips. So this is underneath the bottom part. As you can see here, we have the battery that has 2 cells. Let's see, 7.2 volts, and it should give us battery for about 4 to 6 hours depending of the volume. And now, to take out this part, we have here some screws. We have 4 screws. and here, after the removal of the 4 screws, we have, let me show you, we have two screws that is hidden, and it is about this distance, so you need to have a big screw. This is the big screw. If you don't have this kind of screw, you can't unscrew the screw. So after the removal of these 2 screws, the back part should just pop out. So there are not 2, there are 4. And this is the back part. What you see is just holding in a clip. And after the removal of the back panel, we will gonna try to remove the main panel, where we have the controls, the volume, the on and off button. First we need to remove these buttons. Remember to remove the hidden screws. And as you can see here, there are a couple of screws, so it is just popped out. So under the main panel we will find 3 or 4 connectors. This is the back panel. To remove the connector, just press on it, just press on this and it will pop off. And we have 2 more, one here and one there. This is the second connector. That is the third connector. And in the back we have a different kind of connector. So this is the main board of the JBL Partybox on the go. As you can see, this is not very big, but it does the job very good. And now we are gonna try to remove the panel to see the speakers. So when you take down the front, the panel, you will damage this this wire that goes in this circuit. I don't know what is the purpose of that, but now it's damaged. And to remove the front cover, we need the same long screw to take out 2, 3 or 4 screws. We will see in a second. 4. So there are 4 screws. So we see here that we have another set of screws. So this one, that one, until this moment all the screws are the same length. So it's very clear for me. To take this panel down, you need to remove this circuit and then take out. So that was the 6th screw, and now the front panel should, I told you, should open. So it is very clear that here is the main board that is connected with the speakers through these cables. We have here 2 tweeters, 1, 2. This is 1.75 inch, and this is the woofer that has 5 inch, 5.75. The sound is very good. This is the bass reflex membrane, and this is the whole box. So there is nothing much to it, but it's not easy to take down. Now let's see if we can take down this. We can remove the speaker. So we see here that on the tweeters it doesn't says the power of the ohms. And we will gonna take it down to see it. There are only 2 screws. So this is a tiny tweeter, but it is very heavy and the magnet is very powerful. So all the speaker combined releases 100 watt of power. And now we will gonna try to see the woofer. So we take down this tweeter, and now we will gonna remove this. Just slide and pop out. So this is the bass reflex, and the same on the other side. And now it is very easy to take out the woofer. So the back part, another back part, the laterals, the interior, the panel board, the front cover, lots and lots of components. And there are no markings on the woofer. So this is the LEDs from the lights, because as you can see, the JBL Partybox on the go, on the front sides it has these LEDs. So don't forget, 5.75 inch woofer, 2 tweeters, the bass reflex, the motherboard, and all of this is the JBL Partybox on the go teardown. Neither the woofer, neither the tweeters doesn't have markings on it to see the power, the ohms, or something else. Please tell me in the comments what do you think. Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers, let's hope this will work again.